Project communication issues of the failed Denver International Airport initiative in the early 90s. For general knowledge, how busy is the Denver International Airport, DIA? Technically, there could be 4,608 takeoffs at DIA per day. Right now, there are around 1,600 flights a day. The failed Denver International Airport project was plagued by several communication failures. In this video, we are going to talk about the key factors that led the project to fail. 1. Lack of clear goals and objectives. The stakeholders involved in the project had conflicting ideas about the scope, goals, and objectives of the project, leading to confusion and miscommunication. 2. Poor stakeholder engagement. Key stakeholders were not adequately consulted or engaged throughout the project, leading to misunderstandings and miscommunication. 3. Inadequate project documentation. There was a lack of clear and comprehensive project documentation, which resulted in misunderstandings and miscommunication among team members. 4. Failure to manage expectations. The project team failed to effectively manage the expectations of stakeholders, leading to disappointment and dissatisfaction when the project failed to deliver as promised. 5. Poor communication between contractors. Communication between contractors was often poor, leading to delays and errors in the project's construction. In summary, these communication failures contributed to the overall failure of the Denver International Airport project and highlights the importance of effective communication in the success of any project. You can research and learn more about the details and logistics of the Denver International Airport project. We will discuss 9 more famous case studies related to failed project communications like this in this channel. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for joining to watch this video. Global OCM team enabling positive change, globally.